Leja, I got my pineapple from the farmer's market. It's $1.99. It is a good price, eh? $1.99. Look how big this is, eh? Hurry up, eat your curry. Hurry. Hurry, eat your curry, okay? We have to go to Walmart, okay? And you put a Coca-Cola in my freezer? Yeah. We don't waste food, okay? You drink this, okay? Drink your Coca-Cola. Le, Coca-Cola.
Mom, what's Walmart? Is that a place where they sell basketballs? Cause ball is life, bro. And why would your hair?
Well, this is what happens when you go outside in the snowstorm. After straightening it. Ugh. Walmart, Leisha, is Walmart.